everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. So, seeing as I've still got blonde hair, don't you worry guys, I am changing the colour very soon. I'm just still deciding on what colour to go, but if you've got any ideas then please comment below on what hair colour I should do next. It can be anything from just doing like dip dye or split hair or streaks at the front. Like, I just don't know what to do, guys. Help me out. But yeah, as I've got blonde hair still, I thought I would experiment with ponytails and hair extensions, seeing as it's easier to match extensions and stuff to clean blonde hair. So, I have always wanted to try the Bella Hadid ponytail that everyone has done on like TikTok and YouTube. So I thought I would give it a go and show you guys how you can do it on short hair with the help of a ponytail that attaches to your head. So yeah, I've got this one from, I think it's Lulabelle's, but I got it last year, but I think it's Lulabelle's, and I love it because it's super thick and it's really nice and long as well. Obviously Bella Hadid's ponytail isn't as long, but I'm going to try and kind of create the similar look. So yeah, so I've got my ponytail ready. I'll pop a link below to that. And then next up, I've got a middle parting and she's got a side parting. So I'm just going to blow dry my parting. So all I'm going to do is, she kind of sections it from here, I reckon, and it basically comes across. So all I'm going to do is just spritz a little bit of heat protection spray here and blow dry my parting this way. So give me a sec. As you can see, I've blow dried my middle parting sideways now, so we can start the style. So she basically has all her hair pretty much straight back, apart from this section here, which kind of tucks behind her ear. So let's get this into a high bun. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to take the underneath of my hair, so we're just going to leave that for now. I'm just going to use our fingers to kind of just scrape back into a high bun. I'm just going to leave that section out at the front, like so. So I'm using a brush now to help me do this. And yeah, obviously with short hair, it's all falling out at the back, but that's absolutely fine. We're just going to leave that to fall out. Going to make sure we scrape these side bits right up into that ponytail. We want to make it proper slick because she has this bit pulled right back like so. Oh my god, I love doing this because I feel like it gives you a bit of a facelift and proper lifts your eyes up, makes them look snatched. So yeah, so obviously this bit is not going to come up, so we're just going to leave that down. Obviously you could potentially leave that down anyway. Obviously if the ponytail was the same length as the bottom of your hair, but mine's not, it's super long, so we need to put that up somehow, and we're going to use some hair clips for that. So once you've got your hair in a high pony, we're going to grab a hairband and we're going to secure that in place. Now, I personally think it's a lot easier attaching ponytails when you've not got a ponytail at the top here. So we are gonna make that into a bun. I find it's so much easier attaching the ponytail, and also I find it gives the ponytail some height as well up here. You'll see in a minute when I attach it. So yeah, we'll pop a few hair bands on that just to make sure that's not gonna go anywhere. Don't worry if it's messy because the ponytail is going to cover it up. So this is what we've got so far. Now we need to figure out what we're going to do with this section underneath. So all I do really is just grab loads of hair clips. No one is going to see the back because your long ponytail is going to be covering it up. Or you can grab some really cute giant hair clips. They look fab if you want to kind of accessorize the back of your hair instead of shoving a load of hair grips there. So I'm just going to shove some clips in. whatever I've got in front of me, basically. And yeah, no one's going to see those at all from the back, so it's absolutely fine. And yeah, another thing that you can do as well is hairspray. But yeah, that is the only annoying thing about having very, very short hair. Obviously, you've got the little flyaways at the back there, but that feels secure. That is up. And yeah, okay, I'm loving it. Right, before I put the ponytail on, I'm just going to grab my hair straighteners. So I'm going to get those on, and I'm just going to curl this front bit of hair around like that and kind of just arch it over, because it's now helping it kind of swoop that way. This is what I used to do to get my emo swoop. When I was at college in sixth form, I used to have a proper emo swoop. Actually, it used to come from like here all the way around to there, and this is the sort of thing that I would do. You just kind of curl your fringe under so it sits like that. Looks really cute. Oh my god, I've not done this to my hair for ages. I love it. That looks cool. Okay, but obviously I've got short hair, so it's not really going to sit like that. Oh my god, this is going to look so fab. So what we want to do is we want to grab this product from Redken. I was recently on a Zoom event with Redken and discovered this product, and it's actually amazing. So it's called Velvet Gelatine, and it's really, really creamy, like gel. It's purple, but it doesn't come out purple on your hair. Rub it through your fingers, and it doesn't dry. It's really nice. So it just gives your hair a bit of a shine, but it makes your hair stay in place. It's really, really good. And yeah, I'm so glad I've discovered this product, because it's so good for little flyaways, or if you're doing things like this and you want your hair to kind of be really flat, but not like gelled or like stiff. You want it to still look really smooth. Honestly, this product is so good. I'm so glad I've discovered it. So we're also going to do that to this side as well, because it does look like, looking at the picture, I've got it in front of me, it's very, very slick back. So we're going to pop some more of that on. You can use hairspray, but I just personally love the way that this product looks on your hair. Right, so we just want to pin that bit back there. So I'm just going to grab another hair grip. I'm literally trying to find hair grips in front of me, because honestly, I don't know what I do with them. I put them in my hair and I swear I take them out, but I don't take them out on my dressing table. I take them out, I think, around the house, and honestly, I lose them. So this is looking so fab now. So we can pop a little bit of hairspray on this if you want, but I would advise, if you are going to, spray your hand first and then flatten the hair down. It's mainly this little bit here that's probably just going to come undone. Don't spray it directly on the hair, because you might just put a bit too much on. But yeah, that's looking really, really good already. Love that. Right, ponytail time. It's actually really super easy look. I think it's just about having the right products to create this, and lots of hair grips if you've got short hair, and also a really good ponytail. So we're going to grab this ponytail. We are going to flip it round. So now you're going to be able to see that it's going to get a height because of my bun. So we're going to grip that to my hair like so, and then we're going to wrap this section around the ponytail. So now this is the annoying thing about using hair grips and gripping your hair underneath. Sometimes their ponytail will grab to the hair grips. So sometimes it is better to use clips, but if not, just make sure you're detangling that as you go. Oh my god, this is looking so good. I feel like Ariana Grande. I'm not used to working with long hair. Oh my god, no. Do you know who I feel like I look like? It's Britney, bitch. I feel like I look like Britney. Oh my god, it's so good. Right, we're just wrapping that hair around. And then when we get to the front, you know what I'm going to say, more hair grips. We're going to grip that into place. And now I need to find some hair grips because I have none in front of me. So the ponytail is in, guys, and oh my god, I love it. Honestly, it's giving me Britney vibes. So as you can see, my ponytail is super long, so I'm gonna cut the ends off because I really want to get that Bella Hadid look. So I highly recommend cutting it once the ponytail's on because then you can get the length right. So yeah, so let's grab some hair cutting scissors. Got my scissors. So now she has her ponytail kind of, I'd say here, but curls the ends under. So I'm probably going to cut off this much, I reckon. So I'm just going to going in for the kill. These are really good scissors though. Nice. I'm just going to chop up into the hair so it's not so blunt. Okay, so that's one side cut. Let's cut the other side. Now I've just got to get it the same. Well, we'll just cut it there and then we'll see. Oh, I quite like this shorter length, you know. Right, I've definitely cut that side a bit. Actually, it looks alright. Right, let's cut up into it again. This looks so cute. I love it. Okay, so Bella Hadid has the ends of her ponytail curled under. So we're going to try and do that. I don't know how well it's going to go because this ponytail, I'm sure, is synthetic. So yeah, it might not work so well. So I just got out my GHD Rise to try and curl the ends of the ponytail. I just don't think this is going to work because it's synthetic. So this might be a bit of a fail, but this is kind of how you would do it anyway. Yeah, it's a slight bit of a fail. It's not really curled it as much as I'd like. If it was a human hair ponytail, it would be much better. But sometimes these synthetic ones, once you've straightened them, you can't get them curly again. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Okay, well that's a shame, but this is a great tool to use to curl the ends. And all you do really is kind of just curl the ends upwards. You just want to make it kind of swoop under. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work at all, but I'm just going to leave it on there and see if it does something, even if it curls it the tiniest bit. But yeah, I mean, I'm loving it anyway. Ouch, definitely just burnt my hand. Yep. Okay, we're just going to leave that. But I'm really loving this anyway, even if the ends of the ponytail are straight. I think it looks so fab. Why have I not tried this before? I love it. What do you guys think? It looks so good. Guys, what do you think? I really hope you found this tutorial super useful if you are wanting to create a Bella Hadid look. This is definitely a fabulous look for New Year's Eve. I feel like I might bust this out for New Year's Eve. Is anyone getting dressed up on New Year's Eve? I feel like we should. It's been a bit of a rubbish year. I feel like we should dress up, even if we are staying at home. But yeah, guys, what do you think of this look? I'm actually loving it, and I really hope you found this tutorial super useful. But obviously, it probably is better if you get a human hair ponytail. So I'll pop a link below to some really good ones, just in case you want to purchase a human hair one over a synthetic one. Obviously, the price is a little bit more expensive, but probably is worth it if you want to kind of jazz up your ponytail with curls or, yeah, creating this look. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in another video very, very soon. Peace out.